Let's cross now to Iris Makler in Jerusalem. Iris, as it begins to roll out its fourth dose, Israel has confirmed its first case, I understand, of an individual infected with both COVID and the seasonal flu. What more do we know about it?
Yes, it's being called Flurona by people who are concerned. She's a young woman, pregnant, not vaccinated at all, and not hit very hard by either. But her case is being studied because this is a very serious flu year. You'll remember in 2019 there was no corona, there was flu. Last year there was no flu, there was only corona, COVID. And now this year there's both. They're calling it a twindemic because it's hitting very hard. So what you're seeing in Israeli hospitals is people still with Delta, people with Omicron and people with flu. And there's a real fear that as the numbers rise, that the hospitals will be paying the price.
Now, the country's top health officials says Israel's on course to reach herd immunity as a result of the Omicron variant triggering a massive surge. What else did he have to say?
There's been some dispute about whether he was advocating for that or warning of it. And the way I heard him, he was warning against this and saying if we don't take the right steps, we're going to reach that point where so many people have it. It's been called, by the way, herd infection here because herd immunity was frightening enough, but now it may not even be immunity. That's because we can see that Omicron and Delta coexist, and we can see that people who have had the infection can get it again or get a variant again. So there has been criticism of the Israeli government for the way they're handling this. They say that they fought against the Alpha, they fought against the Delta, but they're just opening the door and they're resigned to the Omicron and saying that that's actually bad policy because herd infection isn't good and it doesn't mean that more people can't get sick and get sick twice.
Iris Makler reporting there for us from Jerusalem. Thank you.